rising senior at Loyola School, and my starter project was a mini keyboard. So the batteries produce the electrons which flow to the rest of the circuit. They produce the electrons to go to the LEDs. After the power switch is turned on, it makes contact with the wires, which then supply the electrons to the LEDs. The LEDs are diodes, so the positive and negative sides have to be placed in a certain direction because the electricity can only flow one way. The resistors are placed because they reduce the flow of electrons to the LEDs so that the LEDs don't overheat. The mini push button, when pressed, compresses the spring to make contact with the wires, which plays the pre-programmed melody in the IC. The microcontroller sends the signals to the rest of the components of the circuit for it to function because it has a pre-programmed input and output functions. The capacitor sensors are the keys. They're two sheets of metal plates that are close together but not touching. They're separated by a dielectric, which is an insulator, so that the positive charge collects on one plate and the negative charge collects on the other plate, so that when your finger makes contact with the keys in such a way that your electrons from the finger interact with the positive and negative charges so that they attract and produce the sound played by the keys.